Hey guys, this is the Hoover Elite Reeler I got yesterday. This one was a Facebook Marketplace find for $30. It needed a brush roll, and attachments, and a cord repair. But the brush roll is going to be fixed, so that one can go back to my other one. But here it is running. Bearings are pretty dry, but this one is from 2009. So 02 of 09. So I'll show you the cord. Around here somewhere. There it is. These two spots. This one was really bad, and then that one was just minor, but it was enough for me to put tape over it. But the real one is really good, so that's nice. But yeah. This is my first new one, but I think I had my old one's the 2005 one. I don't remember the motor sounding like a missile, but then again, I can't remember what the damn thing looked like, so I could be wrong. But thank you guys for watching.